Hello students, welcome back to Kevira Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasis Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about Newton's second law of motion, and with the help of that, we derived the formula of force also. In this video, we are going to discuss about Newton's third law of motion. What is Newton's third law of motion? So, according to the Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction to it. Means if any action is applied, there is reaction equal and opposite to it. For example, there are two bodies A and B. Suppose A is applying force on B. So B will also react on A. There are two bodies A and B. A is applying force on B. So force of A on B means FAB. Force of A on B will be equal to the force of B on A. So, and it will be opposite. F of AB is equal to minus F of BA. It may be pointed out that the action and reaction are always equal and opposite. Irrespective of that, either the body is in the rest or in the motion. Means the action and reaction do not depend on the rest or motion. If the body is in the rest also, that time also the action and reaction will be same, and if the body is in the motion, that time also action and reaction will be same. In our daily life, there are various uses of Newton's third law of motion. For example, when we walk on the road, we pushes the ground backward with our legs. That time the ground pushes us forward and we walk on the road. In rocket, the fuel produced smoke which is exhausted out with great force and with which is action, and on the smoke there is reaction which push the rocket forward and rocket goes. One another example, you can see that for sailing the boat, boatman pushes the water backside, and with reaction of that, the boat moves forward. There are many other examples, like when a bowler bowls and the batsman hits with his bat, there is also the action and reaction. So all the examples cannot be defined. There are many examples. So the conclusion is that every action has a reaction in its opposite which is equal to it. That's all. Thank you.